My second piece of new technology is a website called Within. And so if you were to go to Google and type in Within VR, you'll get these results. The very first one is the one we're going to click on, Within Extraordinary Stories in Virtual Reality. And when this opens up, we see that this is a website that is devoted to telling stories in a virtual world. And so if we scroll down, we see these are grouped into different categories. We have new releases, we have animation, we have music, documentary, horror, among other things. For me personally, I'm interested in the documentary. So if we scroll through here, we can see there are a number of different documentaries that are available for students to view. I teach a world geography class, and so for me, some of these documentaries appeal to me. So if we choose one of these, we'll choose My Africa. And it's going to pull up a little bit of information here about the video, and then we can choose to watch the video. So within this, we see the opening image. We see how long the video will be. If we scroll down, we can read a little bit more about what we would learn in this video. It gives us suggestions for other videos that may relate to this topic. We see the awards that this video has won in other categories that this video may fall in, and what platforms in which we can use this video. So we can watch it on the web. We can watch it in like a web viewer, so like a VR viewer, Google Cardboard, something like that. If we scroll back up to the video, we push play. You can see we can move around. We can use the arrows on our screen to move around and observe the environment. I'm going to pause it there. I'm going to assume that everybody is fairly experienced with virtual reality. Why did I choose this? Again, I teach a world geography class. This is a video that I could use in my class to get kids more immersed into the technology and to learning. The purpose would be to take students more into a virtual world and use resources that I don't have readily available in my classroom, like in a textbook or anything like that. So this really brings learning to life for kids. My audience would be high school students. My two ISTE standards would be as a citizen, a learner, cultural, and curiosity about the world. So trying to foster those things in students. And the second one would be as a designer. So trying to design lessons that incorporate digital learning environments in order to enhance student motivation.